Coming up with enough cash for a down payment to buy a house can be the single biggest roadblock for new home buyers. But how much of a down payment do you really need? That depends on the type of loan and your lender. So what is a down payment? A down payment is the cash you pay up front to buy a home. You use a loan to pay the rest of the purchase price over time. Down payments are usually shown as a percentage of the price. You may have heard that you need to make a 20% down payment on a home, but that's really not accurate. In 2021, the typical down payment for a first-time home buyer was 7%, according to the National Association of Realtors. The minimum down payment required for a house varies depending on the type of mortgage you're planning to apply for. 0% down payment mortgages are VA loans and USDA loans. VA loans usually do not require a down payment. VA loans are for current and veteran military service members and eligible surviving spouses. USDA loans are backed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Rural Development Program. USDA loans are for rural and suburban home buyers who meet the program's income limits and other requirements. 3% down payment mortgages. Some conventional mortgages, such as Home Ready and Home Possible, require as little as 3% down, provided you meet certain income limits. Conventional loans are not backed by the government, but they follow the down payment guidelines set by the government-sponsored enterprises, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. 3.5% down payment mortgages. FHA loans, which are backed by the Federal Housing Administration, require as little as 3.5% down if you have a credit score that's at least 580. If you have a credit score that's between 500 and 579, FHA loans require a 10% down payment and 10% down payment mortgages. Jumbo loans are home loans that fall outside the Federal Housing Finance Agency's conforming loan limits. Because these loans can't be guaranteed, lenders tend to ask for higher down payments in order to offset some of the risk. As always, if you have any questions, reach out.